You got me in my feelings, don't wanna make it real. You got me in my feelings, can't let go way I feel. You got me in my feelings, don't wanna.
So everybody, Logan here, NFT Tiger is back with another brand new project. So guys, in this video we will discuss about friends with money. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, because it's a perfect idea. You will be updated with upcoming videos also. And let me clear that it's not a financial advice, so do whatever you only study this platform, take your time. If you think you can generate the best return by investing in dollar friends, it's a perfect opportunity for you. The meme season has begun at the end of 2024, so it's a perfect idea to join right now. So we'll discuss all the detail regarding that. So you can see here just a meme coin. The only secret is being amount the first to buy. Don't miss the trend. So definitely it's trend that's going on, and you can see here the pre-sale before the price blast off. So it's perfect to buy right now. So you can see here the details are mentioned. So I will discuss all the information regarding this platform, and I hope so you briefly understand about that. You can see here still 5 days, 22 hours left, and you can see until the price rise. So I will tell you the price detail at the moment, so which price you can buy right now. So you can buy with Ethereum. Suppose if you buy with one Ethereum, so how much you can generate. So you can see here 1368,660. So it's a huge amount, and you can buy that. So you can connect your wallet and you can start your proceedings from here. So you can see here the details about that, about the friends with money. So no brand, no scale, no share. So just you can see just some friends with money. So next you can see here the information about the tokenomics. I will tell you all the information about that. You can see 10% DEX and CEX liquidity and 84% for presale. Next 5% dev team, and 1% is for the community. And next you can see here the total supply is, you can see here 700 777 and you can see here pre-sale is 84%. I already told you they've of 5%, and community is 1%, and DAX CX is 10%. So it's quite acceptable. And you can see here pre-sale funds. So you can see here 50% liquidity, 6 sales listing, 40% marketing development, 10% is a buyback burn. And next I will show you the roadmap. It's very important to study the roadmap, because you will understand the potential of this platform and this friends coin. You can see here the moonshot moment, and next you can see expansion and fun, and next you can see dominating the market. So these are their target. And next you can see here the future, the in coming soon. So lots of things are coming soon, so you have to stay tuned and keep in touch with community, and you will be updated with the upcoming details regarding dollar friends. You can see here connect your wallet, fund your purchase, and swap tokens for the dollar friends. So these are 3 steps. You have to follow these 3 steps to buy dollar friends. So after that you will buy that, you will able to buy. And next you can see here the frequently asked question. If you have any question in your mind, just click on that, you'll get answer a question at the same time. So it's perfect, and you will be updated regarding that. So this was the information about that. The links are mentioned in the description. I will post all the links in description. If you have any question and query, you can approach the team and get more information regarding this platform. So even you can join me in the comment section. I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding that. So next we'll discuss how basically you can buy that. So you can see here the details are there. Next, white paper. So we'll study the white paper, because white paper is the backbone of any platform. So it's very important to study the white paper. So I will tell you all the information regarding that. You can see here the simple, we are just a meme. So I already told you it's based on meme coins. So you can either dive in now, grab your moon and take it on road to the whole white paper, get both, and then grab your own ticket. Either way, long lifting, you move. So you can see here all the informations are there that I already provide details about our friends. So this was the information about that. So if there is something missing, so once again, I'm requesting that you can approach the team. You can get more information, get more detail regarding that, and you need Ethereum to buy that. And but you can buy with BNB also. If you have BNB, you can buy BNB. If so, with one BNB, how much you can with 2 BNB, so you can generate 5,42,600 something. So you can buy Ethereum also, even you can buy with BNB. So both options are available. It's up to you which type of currency you have. So how basically you can buy that. So I provide you all the details. So still I keep the date in your mind. You can see here 5 days, 22 hours and 45 minutes left. So plenty of time left, and it's a perfect opportunity to jump in to buy right now, and you can generate the best return in the future. So hope for the best, guys. So we'll meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.